Okay, so if you're like me and you've been operating in mostly XT60 world, right? You got like 3S's, maybe a 4S, stuff like that. And now you've moved up to a big boy 6S. You need these adapters. Let me show you how this works. Because if you want to use your existing equipment and take this nice big boy of a battery, whoops, can't do the male-to-male thing. And then you can plug it into your charger that you've been using all along, assuming it can handle a 6S, which this one can. So that's a positive. And then on the other end, let's say it's reversed, because obviously we bought a big boy RC car, right? And the big boy RC car wants this XT90, but I still want to use my 3S battery because sometimes it's fun just to use my little 3S battery, or you could link two 3S's to get to your 6S. So now you use the other adapter. There we go, and I can plug this now into my big boy RC car. Overall, absolutely bridges that gap between big boy world and little boy world really nicely. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.